Hello people, welcome. And we are on Little Big Planet. I'm holding the can with one hand, so this can be difficult like this. So I'm just gonna do something. I wish I had a cam hold. Oh my god, this is so bright. Okay. After you just wait a while, it's not really bright. But oh my god, it's just really bright. Okay, yeah, this is better. I just wish I had a good cam for this, but look at this pod I made. And I wish I could publish this level that's here. It's somewhere around here. Hold on, look at, okay, it's like somewhere you can barely even tell. But it's right there. See right under there? It's right there. That's not talking about a big level. That is my tornado level. That seriously is my tornado level. See the tornado there. And we're gonna play it. No, I hit it. Ah, sweet. Okay. Whoa. Okay, this kind of helps it. Sorry, but it just kind of helps it from getting it bright. You guys can really hear, because it does actually make the tornado song, and here's the people, they're all frightened because of the tornado. And look at them all flying. They're all flying. Tornado's coming, go shoot. No. Oh, I nearly died. Oh gosh. Oh god, yes, it blew everything away. Alright, yeah, there's more people. Oh gosh. Oh! There's this tornado, which means it's the tornado warning. Flying comes for a tornado. Alright. Now, if I could publish this level, you guys could play it because it's really fun. But the reason why I can't publish the level is because that I don't really know, but it just won't let me publish. You guys could leave me, if you guys could leave me comments